Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the voice of the Navigator in the Waze app so your driving assistant sounds just the way you want. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet. Now tap the menu icon, usually in the top left corner of your screen. Go to Settings. Tap Voice and Sound option. So this is where all the voice options are located. Under this section, tap Waze Voice. You will see a full list of available voices, languages, and even some fun celebrity options if they are available in your region. Now just scroll and tap any voice to select. I'll go with this one. Some voices even include street names. Those will say including street names next to them. And you go back. As you can see, a new voice has been selected, and that's it. You have officially changed your Navigator's voice in Waze. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what voice you picked. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.